Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. We're doing our weekly news update every Friday. We do a weekly roundup of what's going on in the real estate, the stock market, trading, investing, kind of give everyone an update of the world of what's happening. So it's July 17th, 2020. Last week we saw that mortgage rates had dropped lower. This week, the same thing kind of going with the rates. Rates are still at all-time lows. 30-year fixed right now as low as 2.875 and 15-year fixed as low as 2.5% for obviously qualified mortgage rates. Those are the starting rates. That doesn't mean you're going to get that rate. Those are the starting rates of what we're seeing in the market right now. In the stock market, we've seen that, like what we had talked about last week, the NASDAQ was at all-time highs. The NASDAQ actually hit 11,000 for the first time ever. And then actually slowly, quickly sold off, and now is right around 10,500 as of our recording this. So NASDAQ has sold off. The bond market, bonds are still really high, which means that rates are really low still. Some of the interesting things that we've seen that looks like with the vaccines that some of the big pharmas have gotten further along with with the trials and the R&D coming up with more testing. Hopefully the vaccines will pull through. The one thing that is concerning is that, Governor Abbott of Texas is looking at shutting down Texas again. The cases have spiked for COVID. Florida, the same thing. A lot of, there's been a lot of concern about, quarantine Texans if they try to go to Florida. I know that's a lot of big chatter right now. And then the other thing is what's happening with the school districts is, the school districts are giving the ultimatum to parents whether they're either going to keep their kids homeschooled or they're going to let them go to school. That's at least what's happening in Texas right now and also in Florida. So, there's a lot of concern of this pandemic in the world, never going back to the way it was. I'm one of the, early believers that I thought that, we would quickly get over this, but there's been a lot of fear and concern that even after we, come up with a vaccine and we emerge, that we're not going to go back to watching movies at the movie theater, or commercial real estate could be changed forever. How people working from an office could be changed forever. You could see more working from home. And a lot of businesses, I think, even like hospitality, I don't think people are going to be going out to eat as much anymore either. They're thinking twice about it. I know that in our household, that's something that we're doing. We used to go out to eat, three times a week. And now, we're just, we don't want to do it. We don't feel the same vibe when we go into a restaurant, people wearing their mask, and it feels very uncomfortable. There's all this, there's a high concern that, you could get COVID. Before, you didn't know if somebody had COVID, you thought it was a story or a hoax. Now I know people that have gotten it, and it's kind of scary. And the mortality rate, there's even young, healthy people that are dying from it. So, there's a lot of things to think about. You definitely want to be cautious and take care of yourself. And hopefully, I think in the long run that will emerge bigger, better, stronger than the U.S., the world always does. But it's just, you have to, think about where we are right now. I don't know where the future holds, but I think that it's definitely interesting times, and you need to be cautiously optimistic. And if you're trying to get a home right now is a great opportunity because interest rates are really low. So that's what we do here with our company. We're a nationwide commercial and residential lender. So we lend in all 50 states, whether you're trying to buy a home or you're a veteran or you're an investor investing in real estate. We'd love to help you. You can call our office at 832-431-6331. Or you can also click on the link down below to get signed up to actually get pre-approved for a home loan or a commercial loan. Or we also sell mortgage notes. So if you're looking to become an investor, we have investor notes for sale. We also have a real estate university. We also help people with our clients with their credit repair. So there's a lot of things that we can do, a lot of services and value add to help our customers. So anyway, this is the week of July 17th recording. So this is the weekly roundup with Angelo, Christian Financial. I hope everyone's doing well. Take care, be safe, spend time with your family, focus on your dreams and your goals, guys. And actually watch our video that we're having. You actually see that. It's on the private loans, no documentation, cash out, refinance. I want you to check out that video next week. Thank you.